Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to create Canva presentation 2023 step by step. So onto this video, we're gonna go ahead and try to create a Canva presentation step by step guide for you. So if you're currently looking in for a tutorial for that, then you're onto the right spot. So as you can see, we're currently signed in already or log in onto our Canva account. So if you're still not yet logged in onto your end, you'll just need to go ahead and log in first so that you'll get redirected in here. So this is what the Canva dashboard looks like. So we have their logo in here and this one to hide the main menu. So this is the main menu in here. You can also see the design spotlight, business education, the plans and pricing, and you could learn more about the different things in here. So there are also tutorials onto Canva so that you can learn how to create top designs, Canva blog, design school events, and their help center. So if you're not familiar with Canva, so this is actually a very popular platform or a design platform. So you could go ahead and create many things like documents, whiteboard, Facebook posts, video, Instagram posts, and many more. And most importantly, what we're gonna do is they also have or they also offer creation of presentation. So we could also download their desktop app in here, their settings and the notification, and create a design button. So we have the account settings also in here, which you could see in here. And the Magic Studio, which is their feature, your projects onto your account or recent designs. You have also the templates in here, brand, apps, and you could also create a team and the trash. So before we head onto the step-by-step guide onto creating this, let's dive in further first onto what really is Canva. So we'll do a quick overview so that you'll get really familiarized with this and why people has been using. Now I have here a Canva article in here onto a beginner's guide on Canva. So this will actually offer us the different features or main features that they offer. So this is a best tool for learning design skills, as you can see in here. So Canva makes designing beautiful creative assets easy for everyone. So as what we mentioned earlier, social media images, videos, posters, and many more. So there are also a Canva editor in here. So we could go ahead and explore onto that later since we're gonna delve into this one step by step. So we also have here a feature onto Canva wherein you could create a team. So this will let you create an online team and lets you collaborate on designs, brainstorm ideas, and leave feedback for one another, all within the Canva editor. So you could try to do that. You could also use and customize different templates. So this is actually one of the advantages why people has been using Canva is because they offer a lot of templates. So it would be easy for you to design already since you have some inspiration in there, or you could just simply try to update or edit the different templates that it offers. So we also have in here the search and personalizing the editor, the editing elements in here, the fonts and text. So you could update that one in there. Uploading and using of media. So this one is also the highlights of it since you could upload photos, illustrations, and videos via uploads on the side panel onto the editor, and the sharing and collaborating of design and saving and organizing the document. So those are just some of the most important things that you have onto Canva. Now to begin onto creating or PowerPoint presentation in here, we'll head back here and then you could go ahead and click onto create a design in here so that you could just choose onto presentation, but we could go ahead and click onto presentation in here so that we should be able to choose onto the different options. So this are the presentation at the 16:9 ratio. We also have the presentation that is available for mobile 4:3 and brainstorm presentation and game presentation. So those are the different templates that it offers. So we could just proceed with presentation 16:9 since this is the popular one. So we're going to go ahead and click onto that and we'll get redirected onto the editing page. Now, as you can see here onto the editor, there are different options that it offers. So here onto the left side are the main things that we could use onto designing our presentation. So onto the upper part also in here, so we could hide or open the menu in here, just like what we did earlier. And then you should be able to access home, your project shared with you in here, and the recent designs. You could also see all of your designs in here. And we have the home, file, and the magic switch in here. So you could redo and undo this. Also, you can see in here if your changes are saved. You could change in here the title of your presentation. So we're gonna go ahead and try to change that. And also, you could get Canva Pro in here. And then, as what we mentioned earlier, to work with your team, you could go ahead and add someone in here to work with you. So you could add in names in here, groups, or email, and then you should be able to see your insights and to present in here. So we could go ahead and try to use different templates in here that it offers. So there are a lot of free templates that this one offers or Canva offers. So we're gonna go ahead and try to choose one. So I think I kind of like how this one turned out. So this will actually make it too easy. So if you're gonna do a template, you could just choose which one you want to add. So we're gonna click onto which one you want to add in there. And if you want to go ahead and try to apply all 22 pages, you could go ahead and try to do so, and it will automatically load here onto your design. So you could just replace all pages in here so that we could add this directly. So you can see, since this has been added already, we could go ahead and try to update the different things in here. So we could change the text to presentation, so just like that. So we could move it like that. So we could also change this text in here like welcome guys. So you could do anything within the designs in here so that you could make it your own. So instead of these different elements that are already in here, you could click onto elements in here to add more. So you could add in some shapes like graphics, also like this one. So I think this fit the theme in here, since it is actually showing something pixel. So we could add in something like that, duplicate this, and we could add it in here as well. And then we could flip it using the flip tool in here so that it should be able to look like that. So you can see that is how you add in some elements. So you could also search for different elements in here like arrow, line, or many more to add in onto the design. So you could just make use onto anything in here. And then also you should be able to add in some text. So if you don't want to do something like this, like you could just add directly the text, then we could also go ahead and try to add the text box in here. So you could choose onto which one in here, like a little body of text, and then we could go ahead and add it in here. This is my report, like that. So you could add in like that for your text, and then right after, you should be able to change the font here, the font size, also the text color. You could actually do this for bold as well, italics, underline, and many more. So you could add in effects as well onto each text in here. Now you could also add in a brand in here for your design, and you could upload different files in here so that you could add it onto your design. So just like this photo, you could go ahead and try to click onto it to add it here onto your design. Now also, since it has been added, so we're gonna go ahead and try to redo it or undo it. Now, as you can see, we also have the draw function in here. So you should be able to see different sets of pens in here so that you could go ahead and try to add in something onto your design. So we could actually add a heart in here or anything, or you could just go ahead and add in some things that you want to add onto your design, like a flower or anything. So that is how you should be able to use the pen tool in here. So there are different pens that it offers. Change also the color in here and the settings. So we also have the projects in here. So you could add in different projects so that you could add in onto your design. Also, there are different apps that is integrated with Canva that you could use in here to maximize your design. So just like adding some shorts, photos, bulk rate, if you want to go ahead and add in an audio, a background video, and many more. So you can see we have our presentation already. We could do a quick preview in here onto the upper part. And if you're actually satisfied onto how it turned out, click onto share in here. And then you could download it onto different file formats. So we have the PDF in here and the PowerPoint document, MP4 video, JPEG, PNG, SVG, GIF, or many more. So you'll just have to choose which one you want to go ahead and download it into and click onto download. And that's just basically it onto creating a Canva presentation in 2023 step by step. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.